found out. Oh, no, it said suckers.
I'm both gonna have suckers.
Lollipops and suckers are technically the same thing.
Good morning, everyone. I've got my buckets of feed and I'm heading out. Got my fermented pig food. Birdie, be nice. Be nice to Duke. Why are you being so rude? It's not nice. It's very rude of you to bark at the goats. I mean, I know he wants to headbutt you, but you don't have to be so mean about it. Hello, ladies. So they started laying eggs. I'm excited. So I'm getting like 3 or 4 eggs a day, which isn't everybody laying. Somebody's still not laying, but that's okay. That's okay. Why are you saying I'm a muddy boy? Because it's been muddy around here. All right, enjoy your chaff hay. Let's go feed my other ladies. Oh, let's feed the chickens real quick. Excuse me, dogs. They're always right under my feet. No manners. Just no manners. Excuse me. Why are you eating all the chaff hay, Birdie? These dogs are so funny. There you go, ladies. Lay me some pretty eggs, okay? I'll give you lots of yummy food. All right, there we go. Dude, don't eat the chicken's feed. Got to do something different with him. He needs to be put in a separate area because I don't think he's not supposed to eat chicken food. I know this. I know better, but I only have so many options at the moment. Probably gonna have to build him something separate. I'd love to get him another friend. I don't know if it would just be a wether or another intact male. So, but we shall say, hey bunnies, I'll be over there in a little bit. All right, Birdie, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to get your head out of the bucket. This is not yours. I swear I'm gonna make a t-shirt with my dogs on it that says not yours. Because I say that all the time. Say we're learning. We are learning. Hello, good morning, ladies. I see you guys. I need to get in here and get you guys some fresh hay today and clean up the milking stand area. Good morning. Here, let's empty some buckets and bowls and get y'all some fresh chaff hay. Yes, fresh chaff hay. All right. Yum. Is it delicious? Do you want some? Yes, please. Yes, please. Here you go, Willow. There you go, Willow. Maple. Hey, Maple. Oh, look at that big round belly. Oh, let's check. Still pretty tight. You're good. You're good. All right, Willow. You gonna be patient and allow me to do this? Say nope. But hers are getting a little bit more loose. Or she's just running away from me really quickly. I don't know. She's also a lot bigger than Maple. So I'm just not sure what's going on here. And she's bagging up. Her udder's getting a little bit bigger. So it could be soon. Who knows? I've been saying this for a while. Bear with me, people. This is our first time, so it's just a learning experience for us. So that we're all very excited. Okay, all right. I'll open up the outside door because it's not gonna rain today. Yay! Yay! No rain today. Y'all can go outside. Woohoo! Y'all love going outside. Go stand on top of something. Go play on your playground, your goat playground. All right, I'll be back in a little bit to check on you guys after schoolwork. Okay. Now to the bunnies. My sweet bunnies. I feel like when they do have babies, they're just gonna all start having babies at the same time. It's gonna be overwhelming. I really need to get their grow out pen built. So when we start doing meat rabbits. What's going on? Hi, so right now I am storing the chaff hay and extra feed in the bunny dome. Let's get a water bucket over here, fill up some water containers. All right, let's just stick you guys up here for a second. I'm probably gonna edit that out. Alright, y'all are the only ones that needed water, actually. Okay. Into the pigs we go. Hello, Thelma and Louise, and Goldie, and Carol Baskin. Carol, are you being mean to everybody? You better be nice. Carol Baskins, she's just not very sweet. She had babies one time. She hatched out a clutch of eggs, and oh, we were so excited. And then she started attacking her babies. And then she started attacking all the other chickens. And I had to take her babies away from her. And sometimes mama chickens just do that. And sometimes you got to take their babies away from them. So, but you know, honestly, she got her name before that. But there she is, my little bantam cochin. Hi. Hey, Carol. All right. Piggy time. Hello, Penelope, Kiwi, and Bacon. Let's get you guys some food. It's nice and hot. I poured hot water over it. They like their breakfast warm. They are spoiled pigs. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Oh my goodness. Look at those faces. It's gonna be time to move you guys soon. Look at this, what y'all did to the place. Oh, look at all that nice hay that James gave you guys yesterday. That was so nice of him, huh? Say thanks. Why are you always blowing bubbles? Why are you just drooling and blowing bubbles? You're so silly. Y'all have made a mud hole out of this place. All right, yep. The fence was on, so glad I checked that. All right, y'all ready for your breakfast? Say it's breakfast time. Feed us, feed us. All right, here we go. Back it up, back it up. It's a slippery mess. Slippery mess out here. Just gonna leave the I'm gonna leave the fence charger off because I'm not really worried about predators during the day. Being in, I mean, we're kind of in a neighborhood here. The houses are spaced out, but I mean, the only thing I would worry about, I guess, is a dog maybe, but it's been so cloudy. Instead of bringing the fence charger in today, I'll just keep it off. All right, ladies, y'all be good. I don't have any leftovers in my bucket like I usually do. It all just slid out. Sorry. They wait for their leftovers. Feel bad for them. All right. Hey, Repo. What you doing, boy? You being a good boy? Are you being good? Okay, sweetie pie. Alright. Whew. Oh, oh, everything's so squishy and muddy. Squishy, squishy. Alright. Oh, the girls left the door wide open. I just love that. I just love when they leave the door wide open. All the cold air can get in. Well, now it's time to get my Etsy orders ready to go out to the mailbox and get the girls set up for schoolwork.
Mama, where should the goat be?
I don't know, wherever you want it to be.
I got some stuff right there. You like it on the inside?
I do. Alright guys, it's Etsy order packing time. So let me get to that so we can move on to some other fun things today. All right, everything's packed up and ready to go to the mailbox. And let's move on to our next project, which is getting all the quail stuff ready. All right, here it is. Just got it out of storage. Gonna clean this bad boy up. So far, I've always had really good success using this incubator. And I'm excited to use it again. I love that it has the clear window so I can see what's going on. Now, like I said in the last video, I want to make something that divides it when we go into lockdown so I can separate the blue eggs from the brown speckled eggs. So let's see what we can make happen here. First, we need to clean it. It's dusty. You know, you kind of want to sterilize it from the last hatch. So if there's any type of bacteria or anything that could, you know, eggs are porous, so something could get into the egg and cause, you know, it to not develop properly or die in the egg. So we're gonna get these cleaned up and then we're gonna figure out something. So maybe I'm thinking some piece of plastic because it's got to withstand the heat. I just don't know. We're gonna figure it out though. I know that much. So I'm just gonna wipe this down with some hot soapy water to get any of, you know, just whatever's in there. I cleaned it after the last time I used it, but it's just been a while, so I like to clean it again. After cleaning it with hot soapy water, I'm going to wipe it down with some apple cider vinegar. And that's just gonna help to sterilize it a little bit better in a natural way because I don't like to use chemicals, especially with something like this. Eggs are so delicate, you know, you really don't want to put any type of harsh chemicals inside of your incubator. Plus, it's made out of styrofoam and plastic, and any type of bad chemicals could eat away at that, so let's not do that. All right, so we're gonna get this cleaned up. I've already got the egg turners inside of it. I love this because it just, you know, helps. It doesn't require as much work as turning them every single day. Which there's nothing wrong with that. I've done that too. But I love these because they have quail racks. So I bought these separate so I could put quail eggs in them. Because if you try to put a quail egg inside of a chicken egg hole, it probably or could fall through. So you don't want that. All right. And that's it. Now I'm just waiting for my eggs. It was said that they shipped today from California, so we are anxiously awaiting. Can't wait. I think that's how it goes right there. So I also like to turn it on just to make sure everything's working. In case it's not working, I need to run to Tractor Supply and buy another one. So we just need to plug this in real quick. Turn you guys this way. Just make sure the egg turner is turning. I hear it. So I'm pretty sure this is working. I can hear it. I don't know if I can hear it buzzing. So that's good news. Now, also going to put the lid on and make sure that all this is working. Also, something else I like to do before they get here is just brush up on my incubating skills, because it has been a while. It's been 2 years since I've incubated eggs. So, all right. It is on. All right, and it's flashing, so it's gonna flash when it's low. And once it gets to the correct temperature, I'm pretty sure it just stays on. And then you can turn it up and down. Obviously you have to add water to this. There's like a hole right here, a fill hole. So you just I have this like squirt bottle that I squirt the water into. So that helps, instead of having to lift the entire lid off, releasing all your humidity and steam, which isn't good. So that helps. All right, and then you also can program the days. So quail don't take as long as chickens to incubate, so you're gonna have to adjust the days. So I need to brush up on what temperature the quail need to be at, how many days, when do they go into lockdown, things like that. So yay, I'm excited. I get my eggs from Alchemist Farm, and they're in California, and they have an amazing breeding program. You should check them out on Instagram. They have just some of the most beautiful eggs and beautiful breeds of birds, chicken and quail. All right, I got the incubator all cleaned up, ready to go. And after that, I wiped down everything really good and just made a batch of black drawing salve, which I absolutely love. It is not my best seller, but I feel like it's the most important thing I have in my medicine cabinet, because it's so good for, I mean, you can use it for splinters, bug bites, bee stings, you know, poison ivy. My brother is extremely allergic to poison ivy. So anytime he has poison ivy, I give him some black drawing salve to just like cover his arm or leg or whatever with, and it really helps to dry it up and draw out the poison. So anyways, got a whole batch of that just finished, updated the Etsy shop, and feeling pretty productive today. We're going to be leaving the homestead today because it's one of our activity days. So it's always exciting. The kids love getting out to go do their fun things. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, that's probably about it. I'd say that's a pretty full day. So we will see you guys in our next video. Bye-bye for now.